Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive straight into using Notion for home inventory management, your invaluable tool for 2025. First off, let's create a new workspace. Click on the plus sign at the bottom of your Notion's sidebar. Name it Home Inventory. The reason we do this is to provide a dedicated area for managing all your home items, making it easier to track and locate them. Now that we've done that, let's create a new page in our workspace. Click on the plus Add a Page button and name it Inventory List. This list will serve as a central repository for all your items. It will categorize and organize your items, making them easy to find. Next up, we're creating a table within our page. Click on the Add a Block button, then select Table. This table is the heart of your inventory. It's where you'll log every item alongside important details such as the purchase date, cost, and warranty information. Now, let's add some columns to our table. You might want columns for item name, category, purchase date, cost, and warranty expiry. To add a column, click on the plus Add a Property button and select the appropriate data type. This helps us because it allows us to sort and filter our inventory with ease. Once we've set up our table, it's time to populate it. Click on the plus New button to add a new row, then fill in the details for each item in your home. It might take some time, but it's worth it. Having a detailed inventory allows you to track your belongings, whether for insurance purposes, decluttering, or just everyday organization. To wrap things up, let me explain why this matters. Notion's versatility makes it a powerful tool for home inventory management. It helps organize and track your items in a way that's efficient and user-friendly. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to using Notion for home inventory management. Stay organized and see you next time.